Hi, I'm Miss Christine at the Smithtown Library, and here is the craft kit and finished craft for Imaginary Dragons. This program is going to launch on February 6th. Craft pickups are at the Smithtown building on January 30th. So let's demo what's inside so you can see how to make this cool craft. Inside we have a coloring sheet. It's color by number. So you'll see that you can use markers, crayons, colored pencils, and all the places that have number 1, you would color in yellow, 2 orange, 3 red, blue, and so on. And you've got your toilet paper roll. Inside this baggie is the piece of paper that gets taped or wrapped around like this. I find that tape works best and that Elmer's glue works for the other pieces. So you'd want to adhere that on. And then there are 4 pom-poms, 2 big, 2 small. And there are 2 googly eyes. And you see how they would go on here. Big ones go on the eyeballs, little ones for nostrils. All right, I would use Elmer's glue for that. And inside here are your pieces of crepe paper. They get glued inside. Best way to do it, you'd have your eyeballs on one side, and you'd have your fire on the other, and you just tape the perimeter. And that's how you make your craft.